Prod Squad, what's good, man? It's your boy JR here, back with another video, and as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, we're about to swap out the regular halogen fog lights for some new LED fog light bulbs. Alright, so these fog lights, now wait, first and foremost, I already told you in my last video that I wouldn't be doing any more cosmetic mods, but this video is sponsored by Novsight, okay? So they sent me these headlight bulbs that I'm actually going to use as fog lights to review for you guys, because I mean, all I can say, in my opinion, in my experience, LED lights are the way to go over the regular halogen bulbs and also HID bulbs. If you don't know, HID bulbs, they are super bright, yes, but they get extremely hot, and also when you start your car up, it does take a few minutes extra for them, not minutes, but it does take a few extra seconds for them to fully light up. Not only that, those kits are kind of difficult, I don't know, to manage and to maintain. So, well, I mean, that's just been my experience, but overall, I feel like as a driver, they look a lot better. And also for oncoming traffic too, they are a lot safer. So that's why I decided to just try to switch over altogether, man, because they're bright and they're safer for oncoming traffic too, because I ain't trying to blind nobody like that. You know, I want bright headlights, but not at the expense of, you know what I'm saying, causing an accident or anything. So with all that being said, man, like I said, this video is brought to you by Novsight. Link will be in the description below for their personal website, and also link will be in the description for the Amazon link as well, to where you can buy these. Now let's go on and get into it as far as what these headlights offer. Now these are headlights, and depending on the specs of the specifications of your car, you can use these as actual headlights. It just so happens that my car, which is the 2016 Dodge Challenger RT, it does turn out that they use H11 size fog light bulbs. So with other cars, it would be used as headlights, but without my particular car, and if you have the same type of, I'm sorry for the thunder and lightning, man, but it's, yeah, it's looking real, and it feels good out here too, so I ain't even tripping about that. If you have the same make, model, and trim on this car, then you can use these H11 bulbs in your fog lights. They're not hard to install, so I'm going to show you the install. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the regular halogen factory bulbs look like with my current headlights that I have in now, which are aux beam, I believe. But also I'm going to swap out one light, show you how that looks, and then I'm just going to put both of them in and show you how they look compared to, you know, just the original. All right, so without further ado, let's go on and get into what these headlights offer and everything. All right. Okay, here we go. So let's go on and do this unboxing real quick. So looking at the packaging, it's real nice packaging. Novsight right there. Auto lighting. All right, so off the front here, you can see it says Novsight. Super bright, quick launch and millisecond. Easy installation, LED lights, save energy, more power for your car through the darkness, illuminating every corner. All right, so let's go on and get into this. So looking at it here, we got an instruction manual on how to install and everything. Put that to the side. Send us a nice little light up your way home, keychain, controller on them. All right, right here, looks like we got a little free gift. All right, so we'll put that to the side and check that out later on. All right, it's trolling me just a little bit. Okay, all right, little eye candy right there. Okay, let's see here. So, got some zip ties right here so we can tie up some wires and stuff. All right, so right here, obviously we have the headlights. Nice packaging, you know, real safe, secure. Throw that to the side there. All right, so this is our connection right here. Got a canvas, which is kind of cool because it's in the shape of a car. That's different. All right, so then we got our fan right here. And we got the actual headlight itself. Try to focus on that a little bit. All right, so it looks good. And obviously we got the other headlight, which is pretty much the exact same. I mean, now let me look at this on the back real quick. Let's get some specs and some clarification. All right, Novsight team, made in China. All right. So here we got the website right here, novsight.com, which will also be in the description below. Email for support, phone number for contact information. This is the M52 series and the H11 size bulb. All right. Going to point that out. We got the H11s. All right, so here we go. So we got 2 of these. It should not be bad. Main thing we're concerned about is the clips and turn them in the right way. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the original halogen bulbs. We're gonna go ahead and get into this install. All right, so here we go. Now we have the original halogen bulbs at the bottom, which looks really crappy if you have anything other than halogen bulbs as headlights. So let's go ahead and get into this install. As far as I think I'm gonna go ahead and try to swap out, I'm gonna swap out the driver's light first, and we're gonna look at the difference in that, and then we'll just move on from there. All right, so let's get it. All right, y'all, so the first thing that you wanna do, if you wanna put in the driver's fog light first, you wanna turn your car on, turn your wheel all the way to the right. And that's where this right here is where you're gonna access fog lights. Okay, so I'm gonna use this light right here just because it's kind of dark and it's still raining outside, so I can't get out there like I want to. But what you wanna do is you wanna pop out your plastic rib nuts here, and this is where you're gonna access it. So I'm gonna go on and finish taking these out so we can access the fog lights. All right, so as I said before, this is a pretty easy install, but if you take a look right here, you pull back this plastic piece, there it is right there. You see the little green? That's the fog light. That's where you access it. And you basically just change them out just like you would do your headlights, where you pop the clip. Let me move this. This is HID ballast right there. But you're just gonna pop out that clip, twist it, pull it out. Everything's plug and play, man. So let me go ahead on and pull this out and show you what it looks like. All right, here it is. This is the original fog light bulb right here. I had this thing for 5 years, I ain't changed it, man. I could have been done this a long time ago. But sorry, we're doing it now. Throw that to the side. Here we go. All right, so I got it clipped in and everything. This is it right here. It's already clipped in. So first thing I think I would advise you to do is go on and turn on your fog lights. Make sure that you got the connection right. If it's not turned on, flip the connection around. Try it the other way. So let's see if we got illumination. Illumination. All right, so now that we know that we got it all hooked in correctly and everything, let's go ahead and put it back in where it's supposed to go, and let's see the difference between the halogen lights and the Novsight LED lights. I think this might be the trickiest part, is taking it out, well, twisting it back in correctly. That's always usually the hard part, but at least we got easier access than the headlights do. Those jokers are hard to twist back in correctly. So let's see. Okay, in all honesty, that was not that hard. Let me see if I can save y'all some time. So if you have the wire, which you have this part here on the left side, yeah, it's gonna be on the left side. Have this on the left side, put it straight in, turn it to the left. So going in, find the preparations, that. I'm sorry, twist to the right. Boom, and that's locked in. So you can go on and put in the rib nuts. I don't even know if they call them rib nuts, man, but just put in the plastic pieces and secure this thing. All right, now let's see what they look like. One halogen, one LED. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Let's see how the LEDs look like compared to the halogens. Video does not do it justice, but I think it does enough justice to where you can clearly see that LED bulb is way brighter than that halogen bulb. Oh man, that's a night and day difference. Day and night. That looks good. All right, so now you see the difference. So let's go ahead on and swap out the other one, and I'm gonna give you some night shots to show you what they look like at night, in addition to the LED headlights. All right, so let's go. All right, here we go. So, man, yeah, video does not do it justice, but these fog lights look way better than they did before. I mean, yeah, this is uniform. This is unity. This is where it's at right here, man. I'll be honest, I think the fog lights are even brighter than my regular from the regular LEDs that I have. And LEDs are aux beam, and I have the Novsights on the bottom, and you can't see it on the video probably, but the fog lights are way brighter. Fog lights are way brighter than the headlight LEDs. So let's go on, and I'm gonna give y'all some more information on these LEDs right now. All right, so here we go, guys. I just want to give you some quick specs on everything. So these are the Novsight H11 LED headlight bulbs / fog light bulbs if you have a 2016 Dodge Challenger RT. All right, it's the N52 series high power conversion kit, 100 watt illumination, super bright 65K. Let's see, I'm gonna give you 6500, 6500K cold lighting, 20,000 lumens per pair, 600% brightness, brighter than the stock halogen bulbs, perfect beam pattern, which I'll show you in the next clip as far as how they look at night. 10-minute installation, which is true plug and play, and that is facts. If I didn't have to record, then it would have been a whole lot quicker. It does have a smart cooling technology. As you see, it does have a cooling fan, 12,000 RPMs. Let's see, so high quality LED chips and efficiency heat dissipation, up to 100,000 hours of life. Let's see, insurance security for driving at night, lighting your way home all along the way. Canvas ready, 50 watt output. All right, on the canvas, works with 99% of the vehicles without errors such as radio interference and light flashes. Okay, so again, here are the specs, man. So the color temperature is 6,500K. All right, and the lumen is 20,000 lumens per pair. It's 10,000 lumens per bulb. All right, so man, that is bright. That is bright. All right, perfect beam pattern, IP68 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. 360 beam angle. All right, and you can see the difference right there. Just kind of scrolling through to show y'all everything, man. So you can pause the video, rewind it if you want to see anything else. But I will have this Amazon link in the description below if you want to go and check them out for yourself. But so far as I can tell, they look pretty good. I can't wait to get out and drive with them.